Amazfit's latest update for the Helio Strap has just landed, and it's not just a minor tweak. Software version 3.1.2.3 is here, and it's making this performance-focused wearable smarter, sharper, and more useful than ever. If you thought your Helio Strap had already hit its stride, think again. This update fine-tunes BioCharge, improves automatic workout detection, and even unlocks real-time heart rate tracking right inside the Zepp app. And the best part? It's all packed into a download barely bigger than a selfie, just 2.24 megabytes. Let's start with BioCharge, Amazfit's proprietary energy metric that helps you track how your body's holding up through the day. Version 3.1.2.3 recalibrates how BioCharge works when you aren't wearing the strap for long stretches. That means the data you see will be more accurate no matter how you use it. Next up, automatic activity recognition. The Helio Strap now does a better job identifying what you're doing and, crucially, avoids those annoying misclassifications that can throw off your workout logs. And here's a fan favorite, real-time heart rate changes. Thanks to the update, you can watch your heart rate data shift instantly in the Zepp app, whether you're mid-run, mid-workout, or just checking in. Amazfit is also rolling out smaller under-the-hood tweaks and bug fixes. They aren't naming names here, but expect a smoother experience all around. The update is already popping up for users in the UK and will expand in phases worldwide. If you own the $99 Helio Strap, you can check if it's live for you. Just open the Zepp app on iOS or Android and see if the 3.1.2.3 update is waiting. Smarter BioCharge, better workout tracking, real-time heart rate at your fingertips. Version 3.1.2.3 might be a small download, but it's a big step forward for the Amazfit Helio Strap.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.